In this video, I am going to show you how you can send bulk personalized emails for free using Gmail. Yes. Now, if you are a business, you would love to send your emails or your email messages to your clients, okay? Or let's say if you extracted emails from Google or using any other tool, you would love to send your services or product to them. But one thing that will make them look real is to personalize it, like mention the name of the company or like mention the person's name. That will make it look too real, okay? And they will feel that you are talking to them only, and that is going to help you get better outreach. All right, so that is what I'm going to show you in this video, so stick around. Let's get into it. If you want to learn how to create an SMTP server, I have a course on Udemy that will teach you exactly how to do that, okay, from A to Z, very easy. So I'll leave the link of the course at the description and also the first comment. Make sure you go and check it out. We are going to use 3 tools for this video. First and the obvious one is Gmail. Second is Google Sheet, and the third is Mail Merge. All right, so let's head straight to the PC. All right, so the first thing you need to do is to open your Google browser and also log in into your Google account. All right, now you can see we have this dotted box over here. Just click on it. All right, scroll down till you see Sheets. Just click on it. Now click on Blank Sheet. Click on Extensions and hover your pointer on Add-ons. All right, then click on Get Add-ons. All right, now search for Mail Merge. Mail Merge. So I will leave the link of these two at the description. Okay, just click on Mail Merge over here. Now we are going to use the second one, okay, from Quick Lotion. Just click on that. Then click on Install. Click Continue. Click on your Google account. You need to give access, okay? Then click Continue once again. Finally, scroll down and click on Allow. All right, now click on Done. Then close it, okay? So now we have installed our Mail Merge. Now let's go and access the Mail Merge extension. Just click on Extensions and just come to the last one, which is Mail Merge. So hover your pointer on it and click on Start. All right, so now you make sure the 2 emails is selected. Okay, so you have 2 emails and 2 letters, right? So click on 2 emails. Now you can see we have the From Email account, so that should be your email. All right, then the next one is from Display Name. So what do you want the recipient to see? Okay, for me, I want the recipient to see SAS Media Studio. So most of the time you use your brand's name or your business name, you understand? Yes. So the next one is email to, okay, merge from. Make sure you select email because that's what we are going to send our message to, okay? So merge from email, you understand? So that is it. Then at the subject, we need to enter the subject of our message. So I'm going to write something like now you need to write the body of our message. All right, all you have to do is just click on the new over here, then compose your message over here. All right, so I'm going to give a name to my template. Okay, so I'm going to give it SAS Media Services. Okay, SAS Media Studio Services. Right, then add Mage field. Okay, so I am going to add a first name. Okay, then add. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to say hi, then space. Okay, so hi, the name of the person, comma, then come to the next line, then paste my message. So I'm going to just enter my message over here. Okay, so insert only text. Okay, so that is it. So what it's going to do is that it is going to say hi, okay, to the first name of my recipient. Then it is going to add this message. to it. All right, so I am going to click on save to save my template. All right, so that is my template. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to send a test message. Okay, so I'm going to click on test, then I'm going to enter my email over here. All right, so this is my email, right? I'm going to click on OK, then it is going to send a text message to my email. Let's see. All right, so as you can see, email sent to my email, and check your inbox. All right, so let me go and check my Gmail. So to my Gmail. All right, so as you can see, SAS Media, that is my display name, and see the subject. Okay, I'm just going to click on it. Then you can see, hi, Andrew. So that's the first name of the first data. Okay, and SAS then add my data. You understand? Yeah, but yes. So that is how you can personalize email. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send an email. Okay, so how are we going to edit our data? So we are going to the sheet. Okay, so I'm going to click on save over here. So to save it, we will attend back to it. Right, now we need to edit our data over here. In my previous video, I taught you how you can scrap B2C emails using AI, right? So I'm going to use those data to send my personalized email. If you want to learn how to create to script such emails, I'll leave the link at the description. Go and check that video out. Right, so back to ChatGPT. So I am going to just copy everything over here. So Ctrl+C to copy. Then I'm going back to sheet. All right, this. Then I am going to paste it over here. So I'm going to select the first. Okay, so A2 to D4. I'm going to click on paste. All right, so this is it. Okay, so we have email, and we have so it has moved to the CC section. So this is the address. I'm going to select all, Ctrl+X to cut it. Then I'm going to create a new row over there, column rather. So one row column. Then I'm going to paste it over here. Paste. Then I am going to write something like description. Okay. All right. So that is it. All right. So I have to change something here. So this email cut should be at this section rather. Then this section should be location. All right, so that is it. Right, so I'm going to click on extension, then click on Mail Merge, then click on start once again. So as you can see, whatever I saved is over here, right? So now everything is cool, but I'm going to close this, okay? And I'm going to use my data at the first, so that at the first of the list, so that we will see what I am going to receive. Okay, so I'm going to create a new row over here, a new row. Okay, so row below. Okay, and I'm going to enter my name. So I've added my data at the top of the list. All right, so we are going to click on extension once again over the pointer on mail merge, then also click on start. All right, so now I am going to click on merge emails. That is when if I want to send my emails, right? But before that, I want to edit the body. Okay, the body of my message. Okay, so I'm going to click on edit over here. Then I'm going to bring it here. Okay, so let's say something like this. I'm going to give a space. So it will be hi, the first name. This is SAS Media Studio. Then we are going to add the location. Okay, so just click on add over here. Then we are going to change it to location. So I'm going to click on location. I'm going to delete this, sorry. Then I'm going to click on add. So we did a survey at your location, okay, and we found out that you are good at the description. Okay, that is the job, okay, the person is good at. Okay, so add. So I'm trying to make the personalization so clear and so real for the recipient to know that this message is directed to me only. You understand? So basically I said hi, the first name of all the data. So Hi to Shadrach, hi to Eric, hi to David, hi to Stephen, hi to Jeremy, hi to this, hi to Jeremy, Jeremy again, hi to Darren. Okay, then this is SaaS Industry, digital platform, whatever. Then we say we did a survey at the location. And where is the location? The location that we got when we extracted the leads. And also, we found out that you are good at the description, whatever is in the description, right? So I am going to save this. Then I'm going to click on Merge Emails. All right, so as you can see, we have 6 emails to merge. Okay, so when I clicked on merge emails, I realized some of the emails were not having good format, right? Because I didn't validate them, right? So I had to remove those emails from the list. You understand? So do you want to continue? Yes. Okay, then let's wait. Then as you can see, successfully merged 6 emails. So that means the emails has been sent, right? So let me go and check my email to see if I have received mine. So as you can see, display name, SaaS Media, and the subject is check this out. So I'm going to click on it. Then you can see, hi Shadrach, this is SaaS Media, whatever. We did a survey at Accra, Ghana, and we found out that you are a web designer developer. You understand? So it has pitched in those data. So this is what we have sent to people. You understand? This is what you have sent to people. So this is how you can personalize your emails. And you see, it's look real because I have my name inside it, I have my location inside it, and I have my job title inside it. So this makes me feel that this message was directly sent to me. So if you want to learn how to create an SMTP server that can help you to send 20k of emails, okay, I have a course on Udemy. I'll leave the link at the description and also the first comment. If you want to learn how you can validate emails, I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel that teaches you how to do this. Okay, so I will leave the link at the description. Make sure you check it out. All right, make sure you give me some like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you validate your emails to avoid spam filters, right? Because some of the emails that you scrap or scrape from the web have spam traps. That is to trap us to hit the spam box. All right, so make sure you validate them. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.